So we're committed to net zero by 2030, and one of the challenges among that is to reduce the energy consumption across our estate. So we're in Endeavour House at the moment. It's a large complex building. One of the things that we really had to face was improving control, and the Destrat fans are one of those measures. They're installed, they're working, and they're delivering exactly what we wanted. So I've known about Airius for quite some time. So when we went out and researched alternatives, we used Airius really as the benchmark. And I couldn't find anything which delivered the goals that I wanted for Endeavour House and other properties like it. We can say categorically, from the day that these units were switched on, the underfloor heating reduced by around about 90%, and the temperatures at ground floor level improved. And not only that, we've got the other tangible benefits that this space that we're standing in at the moment usually overheats during spring and autumn. And here we are in the middle of spring at the moment, and this space is being really used because the heat that generates up here is all being taken down to ground floor, so this is cooler and more usable. When we decided to have Airius do the supply and install, that really made life much easier for us, because they came, they did overnight work over 2 weeks to install all the power supplies and erect the fans and install them. And then Airius have been very good working with our building management systems supplier so that we can integrate the two. So we now have flexible speed control, and we can do that remotely from any laptop, anywhere. Our real target is net zero by 2030. Every step of the way where we can make an advancement towards that goal is a valuable step. We can see how much difference installing Destrat fans has made to this building. Fantastic return on investment, far more even level of temperatures across the building, reducing the heat input, and they're silent in operation. It's a fantastic way of very easily reducing your carbon footprint and of course your energy costs. The quality, the length of time between service intervals and the whole service delivery, for us, Airius ticked all the boxes.